Number 330. The vessels engaged in fishing with purse seine gears may exhibit two yellow lights in a vertical line. These lights shall flash alternately every second and with equal light and occultation duration. These lights may be exhibited only when the vessel is Answer. Hampered by its fishing gear. Number 331. In order for a stand-on vessel to take action in a situation, she must first determine that the other vessel Answer. Is not taking appropriate action. Number 332. A vessel engaged in trawling, in addition to its identity lights, is exhibiting two white lights in the vertical line. What is she doing? Answer. Shooting her net. Number 333. Which of the following is not true in respect to the OOW? Answer. He should keep his watch on the bridge but can leave anytime if necessary. Number 334. A vessel is engaged in fishing when? Answer. She is using fishing apparatus which restricts her maneuverability. Number 335. A lookout is best posted in which location? Answer. Forward as low as possible. Number 336. 3 short blasts on a whistle means. Answer. I am operating a stern propulsion. Number 337. What is the meaning of the two white lights displayed by a fishing vessel, visible all round the horizon, vertically disposed, in addition to normal fishing lights? Answer. I am shooting nets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.